5 to the power of t times 25 to the power of t, this is equal to 100. So what is the value of t? Now let's provide a solution from here. Now we have 5 raised to the power of t multiplied by 25, which is 5 to the power of 2 raised to the power of t. This is equal to 100. Now this is in the form of a to the power of n raised to the power of m, which we can express as a to the power of n multiplied by m. Applying this exponent property, we have 5 to the power of t times 5 raised to the power of 2t. This is equal to 100. So this is in the form of a to the power of n times a to the power of m, which we can express as a to the power of n plus m. Applying this property, here we have 5 raised to the power of t plus 2t. This is equal to 100. So this is 5 raised to the power of t plus 2t. This is 3t, and this is equal to 100. To solve for the value of t, let's introduce logarithm on both sides. Log 5 to the power of 3t, this is equal to log 100. Log 5 to the power of 3t, this is in the form of log a to the power of b, which we can express as b log a. So let's apply this power log property, so that here we have 3t log 5. This is equal to log 100. Let's divide on both sides by log 5. Here we have log 5. So we can simplify log 5 and log 5 here, so that 3t, this is equal to log 100 divided by log 5. Now the next step, we can express 100. This is the same thing as 25 multiplied by 4. So this is 3t. This is equal to log 25 multiplied by 4, then divided by log 5. Now we have that log 25 times 4. This is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, then we have 3t. This is equal to log 25 divided by log 5, then plus log 4 divided by log 5. So here we have 3t. This is equal to, we can express log 25. This is the same thing as log 5 to the power of 2 divided by log 5, then plus log 4, which is log 2 raised to the power of 2, then divided by log 5. The next step is to apply the power of property here, so that 3t, this is equal to, here we have 2 log 5 divided by log 5, then plus, here we have 2 log 2 divided by log 5. Now let's simplify log 5 and log 5 here, so that we have 3t, this is equal to 2 plus 2 log 2 divided by log 5. So log 2 over log 5, this is in the form of log a over log b, which we can express as log a to base b. So we have 3t, this is equal to 2 plus 2, this is log 2 to base 5. Now let's divide on both sides by 3, so that we have t is equal to, now we have 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3, this is log 2 to base 5. Now since 2 over 3 is common here, we can factor out 2 over 3 into the parentheses, here we have 1 plus log 2 to base 5. So this is the value of t. This is the value of t. Now the next step is to check, or let's check if this value of t satisfies the equation. So if you recall, we have 5 to the power of t multiplied by 25 raised to the power of t. This is supposed to give us a value of 100. So this is the same thing as 5 to the power of t times 5 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of t. They should give us a value of 100. Now, this is 5 raised to the power of t times 5 raised to the power of 2t. They should give us a value of 100. So this is 5 raised to the power of t plus 2t. This is 3t. They should give us a value of 100. Now let's substitute t. So we have 5 raised to the power of 3 times t, which is 2 over 3, into the parentheses. This is 1 plus log 2 to base 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 100. Now we can simplify 3 and 3 here, so that we have 5 raised to the power of 2 times 1. This is 2, then plus 2 log 2 to base 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 100. Now, since 2 is a power, so we have 5 to the power of 2 plus, this is log 2 raised to the power of 2, then to base 5. This should give us a value of 100. So 5 to the power of 2 plus log 2 squared to base 5. This is of the form a to the power of n plus m, which should be expressed as a to the power of n multiplied by a to the power of m. So we have 5 squared multiplied by 5 raised to the power of log 2 squared to base 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 100. So 5 squared, this is 25, multiplied by 5 to the power of log 2 squared to base 5. This is in the form of a to the power of log b to base a, and this should give us a value of b. Let's apply this property, so that now 5 raised to the power of log 2 squared to base 5. This is 2 squared, and this should give us a value of 100. So we have 25 multiplied by 2 squared, which is 4. This should give us a value of 100. So 25 times 4, this is 100, which is equal to 100. So we have that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this affirms that the value of t, which is 2 over 3, into the parentheses 1 plus log 2 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.